In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 best websites where you can earn by watching videos or ads. Now, these are platforms that they have paid me this year. Yes, and if you're interested in that, do stick with me until the end of today's video. I'll be taking you through them and show you what you can expect. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining us. Welcome to the channel. My name is memecoin and I share information on how to make money online, and that is what you'll find on this channel. Do consider joining our family by subscribing. Also, give this video a massive and huge thumbs up if you find it valuable. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get on today's video. So guys, I have published quite a lot of videos sharing how much you can make money, yes, by watching videos and ads. And it seems like you guys love it. You love this kind of content. And that's why I decided to put together this video to show you legitimate platforms that are still paying in 2025. So these are among some of the best platforms that will pay you for watching videos. Now, having said that, it is also important to understand that you're going to be paid for watching the videos. Yes, so you have to brace up and watch as much videos as much. In fact, there are videos that you watch without getting paid. So you can just click on the videos that you typically watch and then watch and also get paid. So what can be better than that? So guys, the first platform that I'm going to share with you is available worldwide. Yes, the name of the platform is Contiply. Yes, guys, you can find it on contiply.com. Yes, they not only offer video watching opportunities, they also have surveys. Yes, they have other offers like game offers, app offers. They also have a daily free spin. You can watch videos, and if you're based in the UK, in the United States, this feature will be available for you. Yes, the opportunity that we're looking for here is where they say PTC, that is paid to click ads. You simply come here, select this tab over here, view short ads, and you will land on a page that looks like this. So you will see here that they have different kinds of pay to click ads that you can be paid to do. Yes, so start watching these pay to click ads. Select view over here, and it's going to direct you to a website, and they're going to set a timer for you where you have to stay in that advert or platform for a certain period of time. And then when you go back to the platform, it's going to ask you to validate your ID. Click select. Yes, select the correct item and receive your amount. Yes, over here, it's a legit platform that has already paid me, and it is paying people worldwide. And of course, it is an incredible way of discovering new platforms that can pay you as well. So I completely recommend this platform. The next one on my list here is iRave. Yes, I know a lot of you might have heard about it. Guess what? It's going to pay you for watching videos in different channels on different platforms, and it's available worldwide. They pay you every single week. So every Thursday, they're going to send you money. Yes, you can get paid to your bank account or through PayPal. And you can also get paid through cryptocurrency. Once you discover this platform, there is no other time. I'm telling you, you would want to stay here and keep on watching these videos and keep making money. Here, go ahead and select the middle tab. It's called Engage. Click this YouTube link here. You'll find instructions to the platform. It is called Engage. They will show you how to install this platform so that whenever you watch videos, you get paid for that. It's an incredible opportunity. They pay you up to $250 per day for video watchers. Yeah, so on this platform, you need a lot of videos to watch to make, good money. Like I said, you need to devote time that you spend typically watching videos. Another way to make money by watching videos is by heading over to the task tab. Yeah, so over here, you will scroll down and see opportunities for watching videos, engaging with YouTube channels, watching ads, and many more. The next website also pays really well. With this one, you have to be on the application in order to get the video watching opportunities. But let me show you the platform. It is called Paid Work. Yes, you find it on paidwork.com. For all the websites I'll share in today's video, I will leave the links in my description box down below. Now I am in the Paid Work app, and in the end tab, you will find the different ending opportunities as you will see here by the end. Playing games, filling out surveys, watching videos, online shopping, micro tasks, as well as you'll be paid for creating content. Yes, graphic design, writing articles, and many more. But the opportunity that we're looking for today is watching videos. Simply select the end button over here, and then you will land on this page. Yes, so where they have this filter tab, watch videos over here, and all you need to do is select watch videos, and you will see instantly, I watched the video, and they will reward you as soon as possible, as soon as you're done watching the video. And you can see it is super easy. I've completed the video, and what you need to do is you can watch the videos over and over again. Yes, here on this platform, they are going to pay you for watching videos. And I think it's an awesome platform because they have a lot of video opportunities that are available worldwide. They have been paying people for many years. All right, guys, so let's move on to the last one. Before I share with you this opportunity, let me take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining in. My name is Miriam Adepoju. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider joining our family. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Also give this video a massive and huge thumbs up if you find it valuable. To all my loyal supporters, my family, my gang, thank you so much for your constant support. Let's take a look at the last platform where you can make money by watching videos. And this is an incredible one. It is a legit one, and I have a dedicated video on this platform where I show you how I earned $200 in a single check. Yeah, so go ahead and check it out in my description box below. Find out more about this platform, name of the platform. So yes, the name of this platform I'm sharing with you, the last platform but not the least I'm sharing in today's video, is called Jump Task. As you can see, guys, there are so many ways to earn, and of course they have different opportunities that are going to pay you besides just watching videos. Yeah, so yeah, take part in different offers like app testing, signing up to different platforms, as well as video watching opportunities. You can also do surveys, download other platforms. They have a marketplace that is also coming up. It's been quite a while, but it's a legit platform that has already paid me. It is called Jump Task. You can actually find it here using the link in my description down below. Yes. So guys, these are the platforms that have already paid me for watching videos or ads online. Do let me know in the comments what you think below. And if you have any other ones that we can add to this list, do let us know in the comment section. I always love to learn from you guys, and I appreciate that as well from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching this video. And before we get to the next one, I have a giveaway, yes, for you guys. Besties, I'm giving away $100 cash gifts to you guys. So what you need to do is join my Telegram community and also do well to add 50 of your friends into my Telegram group. So come back to this video and let me know how many people you were successfully able to add into my Telegram community, and you are on your way to earning money, $100 as a matter of fact. And I'm willing, I'm ready, and I'm able to send it to you through PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, TapTap, or any other form of, money transfer, Western Union money transfer, and what have you. So guys, if you have any feedback for me, please do let me know. I don't bite. This is a safe space. Consider this channel. It's not just my channel. It is your channel. It is our channel. So feel free to let me know what you think or what you want to see more of on my channel. And if you want me to improve on certain areas, please let me know. I am all ears. Yes, please. I don't see this channel. I don't bite. Please feel free to express yourself. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching all the way till this point. I remain your girl, Miriam. And in case you're seeing me for the first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself as well. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer and a content creator here. On this channel, I share with you various ways to make money, and you don't want to miss it for anything. If you have not joined the family, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every single time I drop a new video. Till I see you guys in my next video. Take care and bye.